Did you know dogs have some serious superpowers? Here are some 3 crazy facts about dogs. Fact 1. They can hear 4 times better than humans. Fact 2. Their sense of smell is so strong, they can detect diseases like cancer and diabetes. Fact 3. And here is the coolest part. Dogs can see in the dark better than humans thanks to a special eye layer called the tapetum lucidum. Do you want more coolest facts about dogs? Comment below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more animal fun facts.